Hi. Okay, so as what we discussed before, we decide to use instant water heater, right? Okay, Sheena, you still have the warranty and all the stuff. I mean the books that. Oh, okay. So, do you guys have any suggestion or any suggestion lah for this assignment and for the writing report, the video? What do we need to do? Okay. So writing report. Who will compile all the report?
That's a lot of alternative that we use during this time of a period. Most of the time, we use WhatsApp application to keep in touch with each other to share our opinions on this project. Sometimes, we had a video call to communicate to each other. We also divided the task evenly so that each of us can manage the way we complete the task wisely.
Hi there everyone. So now I'm going to explain to you about technical specification of this instant water heater. So there are many aspects like electrical loading, minimum and maximum water pressure. So I'll explain to you one by one. So the electrical loading for this instant water heater is 3.6 kilowatts and 240 volts and also 50 to 60 hertz. And the ELCB sensitivity is 15 milliamperes. The operating condition is open system, which is open outlet, and the degree of protection is IP25. The minimum water flow rate will be 2 liters per minute, and the minimum water pressure is 0.2 bar, which is 20 kilopascals per 2.9 psi, and maximum water pressure is 6 bars, 0.6 megapascals per 87 psi.
Some of the major electronic components of the device are thermal cut-off, flow sensor, pump control, motor, temperature control, and heating element. Thermal cut-off is to interrupt electric current when heated to a specific temperature, while flow sensor is to monitor the amount of water being supplied and used to the rate of flow of water measured. The function of pump control is to increase the pressure and volume of water that flow from shower head, and motor is to convert electrical energy to mechanical energy. Temperature control is to measure the temperature on the thermocouple, and heating element is to convert electrical energy into heat through the process of Joule heating.
Okay, for procedure of preventive maintenance for the device, the first one is we need to switch on the power supply, so the power LED would light up. Okay, the second one is we need to turn on the water supply at the stop bulb. Next, we need to turn on the temperature control knob. Next one is for normal cold shower, we just turn on the temperature control knob to off position. And the last one is just switch off the power supply when we're not using. Describe maintainability and repairability of your device. Okay, so maintainability is probability of performing a successful repair action within a given time. In other words, maintainability measures the ease and speed with which a system can be restored to operational status after a failure occur. Okay, for example, if it said that a particular component has 90% maintainability for 1 hour, that means that there is 90% probability that the component will be repaired within 1 hour. Okay, for the next one is repairability. Repairability is the ability of a damaged or failed equipment, machine or system to be restored to acceptable operating condition within a specified period, which means repair time.
Then it's very important to make sure the device can perform well and to avoid any accident happen. So for this heater, we can clean the heater using damp cloth and milk detergent, but cannot use thinner, alcohol or any other solution. And we must clean the filter regularly to remove any trapped sediment. For repairability, the heater have warranty to cover the repair and replace any part of the component, but the material must made from authorized dealer, and this warranty does not cover any damage that come from service repair, alteration or modification being carried out.